Kernel Import OST to Thunderbird software lets the user create the MBOX files suitable for usage in Mozilla Thunderbird application. The tool accesses the OST files from MS Outlook and converts them into MBOX safely. You can download the executable application from its web page. After reading the features of the tool, you must click on Free Download button and the download will start quickly. After installing the software successfully, once you open the software, then you can click on Select File option. In the Source File Selection wizard, click on Browse button and choose the OST file from its saving location. After selecting the OST file, click Open, and when the tool is loaded in the wizard, then click Next button. The information page shows all the necessary details related to the data conversion and other features. Click Finish. The software will scan the complete mailbox quickly and enlist the mailbox for preview. When you click on any folder, then its list will appear, and you can see the clean preview too. You can choose other items and its preview will come up automatically. Now, click Save and select MBOX file as the destination format. Click Next, and in the filter page, you can apply multiple types of filters in the mailbox data. Check out the various parameters and click Next. Choose Thunderbird as the appropriate email client for which you require to create the MBOX file. In the Saving Path section, click Browse and choose the folder where the MBOX file must be saved. Click OK, then click Finish. The conversion will start, and the tool will convert entire mailbox content with the selected folders. When the process ends, then a message will appear and mention that the items have been saved successfully at the location. Click OK. Thanks for watching the video. Also click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the frequently notification of latest video uploaded. Have a great day.